Hello and welcome to Zippo Lion's Den. I have a nice lighter to show you here. You can tell it's a Jack Daniels lighter. Specifically, it is number 49040 Jack Daniels. I have to say this one is on the soon to be retired list. And it is the Jack Daniels Armor Zippo. Still has the price tag on it. I didn't pay anywhere near that much for it. Got it at a local smoke shop that had it on sale, which is really nice. It is an E 2018. This makes it May 2018. Take the nice little safety sticker off. And I don't know if you noticed, but it is an Armor Jack Daniels Zippo. Nice little design on there of the bottle, label on the bottle. Insert is a G. What is that? Yes, it is a G 2018. Makes it a July 2018 insert. Like I said, this lighter is now on the website for Zippo, their soon to be retired list. It is black ice armor. Very nice. Comes with the Jack Daniels insert for the box. And if you get a chance and you like the Jack Daniels, or you just like to collect Zippo like I do, it's a nice one to get before they stop making them and the prices go up. So, if you like what you see, please hit the like button and subscribe if you can. Anything you do will help. Thank you very much.